every is fine now, guys. Please use the chat box. Let me know that confirm it, confirm it, confirm it. Now fine. Okay, so okay, so now fine. So multiple, what is that? Multiple methods are there, right? Multiple method is there to represent this multiple method, right? To represent what is that? To represent this method, right? In the security, whenever we will write the code, right? Whenever we will write the code in that, what is that? We will specify that methods, right? In the ant method. Ant matcher method is there. Inside this ant matcher method, right? Ant matcher, we will give what is that? That URI, right? That URI, based on that, what is that? Based on that, we will perform the operation, guys, right? We will perform the operation. So now let's start the coding of what? Our security, right? Security based on this diagram, right? Based on this diagram, guys, okay? Based on that, this diagram, we will complete what? Our in memory security operation today, right? Today. So let's develop and we will see that how we can implement it, right? How we can implement it. Okay, so now fine. So to activate, right? To activate Spring Security. So how front controller is there, right? Front controller, for that, what is that? Dispatcher. This class is nothing but what? To activate what? Dispatcher servlet. Same like, in the servlet, what is that? Filter concept is there, right? Whenever we are writing the security in what? Servlet, filter we are activating or not, right? So we are writing the filter class, right? Filter class. Inside that, we are taking the interface of what? Filter. After then, we are writing the code, right? So same like here also in the Spring, right? In the Spring also, right? What is that? What is that, guys? What is that? One class is there, right? One class is there. So that class to activate, we have need to write what? Security app, right? Here, what is that? Here, app in it, inside this package only. What I'm going to do now? New, I'm taking what? One class. What is that class name? Security init, right? Security init. Now so that class, extend that class. What is the class we taken? What is the class we are taking? Sorry. So to activate, this is the security, right? So no, here the class we have to extend it, right? Extend. What is that? Abstract security, abstract security web, What is that? Application initializer. This is the class name. That's it, nothing more than else. Just extend it. Except that we don't have to anything inside this one. Okay. What is that? We will write one class, init class. Inside that, just extend this class. Okay. What is that? Abstract security web application initializer. Initializer. That's it, right? That's it. Its work is over now. Okay. So fine now. Come inside that. What is that? Application configuration. Come inside that application configuration, right? So in the application configuration, what we will do now, guys? What we will do now, guys? To work on what? Security. We have need to what? Enable what is that? Spring security, right? Spring security. For that, one annotation is there. What is that? Enable web web security. Enable what? Web security, right? I'm enabling what? Web security. After that, come here, right? Come in the diagram. What is that? Class name, right? Class name already is there, right? Web. What is that? Web security configurer adapter, right? What is that? Web security configurer adapter. Fine. Can I write in this class or can I write separate class? Okay, do one thing. I'm writing one another class, right? Inside that class, I will write what is that security logic. Okay, then my modularity we will achieve. This is what our controller class logics, right? Model view resolve our what internal resource view resolver configuration. Okay, so now what we will do now next? What we will do now inside that what I'm taking what one more class, guys. Okay, now take the class. What is that? App security. App security, right? Now finish it. Now finish it. Now what is that? Apply at the rate enable. Enable, what is that? Enable web security, right? Enable, what is that? Web security. Enable what? Web security. Fine. So but this is what configuration class, right? To make this class as what? Configuration class also at the rate configuration class, right? Configuration, apply that what is that? Oh, what is that? Configuration. Now fine. Now, okay, fine. So here, what is that come in the diagram? What is the diagram? Web security configurer adapter already is there inside this two method. If you want to use this method, we have need to override, right? So first, what we will do now, web security configurer adapter, we will extend in this class. What is that? Extend. What is that? Web security configurer adapter. Now fine. Inside that, guys, see that how many method I said that two method, right? One and two. Now fine. Come here. Which one configuration? First we have need what? First we have need what is that? Authentication, configuration, authentication, right? Authentication manager builder. And the second one is what? HTTP security. Both selected. Now finish. Now delete these things. No need. Okay. Okay. So now from here onward, whatever till now we discuss, right? We are going to implement in this application. Okay. Listen carefully. We are there in the in memory last in memory security. What is that last stage, guys? Okay. Last stage. Okay. So, but every time we will use what is that initial discussion based on this. What is that based on this what diagram, right? Based on this what diagram. Now fine. Okay, fine. So what we will do now next? What we will do now, guys? What we will do now? Okay. So I'm saying that what is that here? What is the reference of what? Authentication means auth, right? Now auth dot what is that? In memory, right? In memory dot fine. So dot what is that? Dot come inside that. What is that? What is that? Username. See that what is that? Username, right? Username. Okay, na? Dot what is that? Username. So for that one method is there, right? So for that what is that? With what is that? User, right? With user. Okay, na? So what is the user? Come here. What is the user? Anup, right? Anup, fine. So see that ANUP, right? Anup. Okay. So now again, what is that? Dot. Again, what is that? Dot, right? Dot, fine. So again, what is that? Dot, right? So another thing is what, guys? Password, right? Password, fine. So another thing is what? Password, right? So what is that? Dot password. Password. Password also I'm taking what is that? Anup, right? Password also I'm taking what? Anup only, right? Again, what is that? What is the next section is there, guys? What is that? Role, right? Anup is the employee, right? Role I'm giving what is that? Role, employee, right? So for that, what is that? Authority. Role is nothing but what is that? Authorities, guys, right? Authority. So now I'm giving what? Authority. Authority is what? Anup authority is what, guys? Anup authority is what? Employee, right? I given what? Employee. Now fine. So here what is that? Give the employee, fine. So now next come again, what is that? Auth2 dot in memory dot what is that? With user what is that? What is the username? What is that? Padma, right? Padma. Now password is what? Password is what? Password is what? Password is what, guys? Padma only. Padma, right? Now another one is what? Authority, right? Admin. Authority is what? Admin. Now fine. Okay. So another one is what? Student, right? Authority is what? Auth dot what is that? In memory. In memory dot what is that? With user, right? Another one is what, guys? With what is that? With user, right? With user. Inside that with user, what we will do now? Inside this with user, what is that? Suraj. Suraj, right? Suraj only. Yeah. Suraj. Okay. So now what is that password? Password is what? Suraj only, right? Suraj. Fine. So another one is what? Another one is what? Authority. Authority is what? Student. Student. Fine. Okay. So based on this one, right? Based on this one, what operation we completed now, guys? This area operation we completed, right? This area we completed. Now come, we have need again. What is that? So these three people are there in the application, right? These three users are there, right? Based on these three users, what we will do now? We will give the access permission of what? Access permission of what? These pages, guys. Okay, these pages. Okay, these pages we will give the access permission now. Okay, so already I explained what is that, how many type of what is that authentication, guys, how many permit all, authenticated, and has authority. Has authority, right? Has authority. Permit all means anyone can access, right? There is no need to security, right? There is a no need to security, like what is that? Gmail login page, anyone can access, right? And what is that? What is that? Facebook login page, anyone can access, right? So same like what is that? Come inside that, what is that? We will give what is that, whatever user is there, we will give what is that, home page is there, right? Home page is there. Home page access permission we will give what? All user. Three people are there, right? Three people are there na? Three people are there in the application, we will give what? Three people's access permission, right? Three people what? Three people what? Access permission to access what? To access what? These three pages. So for that, what operation, what we will do now next, guys? Okay, so we will write the logic here, right? We will write the logic. What logic? We will take this reference. We will take the reference of this one. Okay, now dot what is that? Authorize request. We will make the authorize request, right? Authorize request. Fine. Now fine, guys. Okay, na? So authorize request. Now another one is what? Enter it. Dot what I said, that how we will specify what? How we will specify what? Pages URI based on that aunt matcher or not? Aunt matcher. So now what is that? Aunt matcher, right? Aunt matcher. Inside this aunt matcher, what we will do now? We will pass the controller, right? We will pass the controller URI. What is the home, right? Home anyone can access, right? Home anyone can access. Now, so if anyone want to access, so for that, what is that? Permit all. Dot permit all. We will get the access permission to everyone, guys. Okay, everyone. Okay, so now fine. So now, okay. So after then, what is that? After logging that, right? After logging based on this username and password, right? Based on that username and password, right? So what we will do now? What we will do now in the controller? Come in the controller. What is that? What is that? One common page is there, right? Common page can access what is that? Student also, admin also, and what? And what? Employee also. So for that, we will give the permission. So for that, I already explained what is that. If anyone after logging that page, right? After logging our application, anyone can access. For that, what we will give the authenticated, right? Authenticated. We will give the permission of what? That person, what is that? Authenticated means what? After logging, right? No need to security, right? No need to secure that page. Anyone can access, right? Anyone can access. So for that, what we will do now, guys? Come inside the security application. Come inside that, what? Dot what is that? Aunt matcher dot what is that aren't matcher. Now inside that what we will do now, common page URI we will pass it, right? Common page URI, what we will do now? Common page URI we will pass it. Now I'm passing that. After then what we will do now? After then what will anyone can access, right? Has authority authenticated, right? Means authenticated after logging. No need to what is that? Restrict that page. Anyone, employee also can access, admin also can access, and what student can also access, right? Student can also access. Okay, so now fine. So now another page is also there, guys. Okay, what is that? What is that? Come here. Another page is also there. Inside that what? Just unnecessary things I'm closing now to what? Reduce the. Okay, so now fine. Come here, right? Come here. What is that? What is that? Now fine, guys. Okay. Now admin, right? Admin and a student, and what is that? Admin, student, and what is that? Home page is there, admin page is there, student page is there, employee page is not there, yeah. Okay, let's create one more page, right? Copy, paste it here, right? Here, what I'm going to do now? EMP. Here, EMP, right? EMP. Here, I'm taking what is that? EMP page. EMP page. Fine. So here, create one more EMP page also. Fine. EMP page. What is that? EMP page. Now, fine. Okay. So, okay. Now, so next, what is that? Come here. Okay. What is that? Has authority? It has any authority, right? Has what is that? Any authority, right? So, what we will decide it, guys? What we will decide it? What? So, here admin is there, right? So now come here. Come inside this application, right? So employee is there, right? Employee. Copy this one. Copy this one. What is that? I want this page can access only whom? This page can access only whom? Employee. Employee. So for that, what we will do now, guys? So for that, what we will do now? Come inside that, right? Come inside that. What is that? Here, dot, what is that? And matcher, right? Here, dot, what is that? And matcher. Yeah, and matchers, right? Inside that, what we will do now? Employee, right? Employee dot, what is that? Dot, what is that? Dot has authority, right? Has authority means only what is that? Huh, has authority. Just we will take what is that? Has authority, right? This authority is whom? Employee, right? Employee is whom? Anup, right? So we will pass this one, right? This what is that? Authority we will give to what? We will give to whom? Anup, right? Anup, Anup based on this one, right? Based on this one, Anup username and password. Oh, Anup can access what? Anup can access what? Anup can access what? This what is that? This employee page, right? This employee page, guys. Okay, this employee page can access only what? Whom? Anup, right? Now next one, another one is what? Come here, right? Come here. Admin page is there, right? Admin page. Admin page. Okay, na? Admin page. Copy the URI. Come inside that. Come inside that. Dot. What is that? And matcher, right? Dot and matcher. Inside that, what we will do now? Admin, right? Admin. Again, what is that? Has what is that? Has authority. This authority has only whom? Only Padma, right? So Padma can access this. What is that? Only this page can access what? Padma only, right? Now again. Okay. So now fine. Yes. Now student is there, right? A student is there. Now one more thing is there. See that what is that, guys? What is that? What is that? has authority and has any authority, right? Has authority and what? Has any authority. So now fine. A student is there, right? A student, right? A student, this page, right? This page, which page? Student page, right? Student page, we will give the permission to whom? 1 minute, 1 minute, right? Inside that controller, come inside that. What is that? Student, right? Student is there. Now copy this one, student, right? So, so now this student, I will give the permission to whom? Student can log in this way. Student can use this page, right? And as well as what? Our admin also can monitor this page, right? And our what admin person also can, Miss Padma also can what monitor this page. So for that, what we will do now, guys? What we will do now? Come inside that. Come inside that. What is that? Dot and matcher. Dot and matcher. Inside that, what we will do now? We will pass this what is student. Now after then, what is that? Has in this time, what we will do now? Has any authority. Has what is that? Any authority, right? So what is that? One one we will take. What is that? Student, right? Student page can access what is that? Student, as well as what? Admin person. As well as what? Admin person. Now copy this one and paste it, right? So now fine. Okay, so now the till now the things is completed, but still one more page is left now. Which one is what? Denied, right? So denied page, when denied page will show, guys, if employee want to what access, if employee want to, if employee try to access what? Try to access what? Admin page, right? If employee try to access what? Admin page, then in this time he don't have admin person to access what? Admin person don't have permission to access what? Admin page, right? In this in this condition, what? In this condition, what is that? We will give what? Deny page. So end user will understand, oh, I don't have authority to access what? This page, right? I won't have authority to access what? This page, right? So for that we will use it, right? So for that, what is, we will use it. But before that, we have need to take what? One login page, right? So dot and I need, what is that? And need need what? Form login, right? Form login page, right? By default Spring will give what? One form. Which form? Which form? This form, guys, right? Login form will give what? Login form. We will get what? By default this login form. Okay, so for that we are writing what? That method. Now fine, guys. Okay, now dot and what is that? And what I'm going? Log out also, right? Log out also. Log out form also will give what? Our Spring person. For that, and give means its meaning, and I need what? And need form login page and need what? Log out page, right? So now again, what is that? Again, what is that, guys? Now dot and what is that? And if person want to try what? If person want to dot and, right? If person want to try another page, right? Where he don't have authority. So in this time, what is that? Exception, right? Dot exception handling, right? Exception, what is that? Handling dot what is that? Dot access deny page, right? Inside that access deny page, what we will do now, guys? We will pass that URL, right? Which one? Common? No, deny page URL, right? Copy this one. Now the code is completed now, guys. Shall we see the access permission and all those things? But still, after running that, we will get null pointer exception. I will tell, and later I will explain what, why we are getting the null pointer exception. Because we, in the security concept, right, password we have need to what? Encrypt, but here we are not encrypting the password, right? So some way is there, don't worry. Now let's first, okay, first I will show the error. After then I will tell. Now run the application. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, guys, here just I'm going to access what is that admin page, right? If we try to access what admin page, it will give what login form. It will not go to what request will not go. See that request is not going previously without security. Whenever we are trying that, right? What we are getting that, guys. Suddenly we are getting the result on what browser. But in this time, what we are getting now? In this time, what we are getting now, guys? Form login form we are getting, right? So here what is that, what we prepared in the controller, right? Controller admin page to access, right? Admin, right? Admin person, right? Padma username and password, right? So now I'm writing what is that, Padma and what is that, Padma, but we will get what null pointer exception. See that 500, what is that? See, id is what null pointer exception. What is that? Password encoder mapping, no, not there, right? So because of that we are getting this one. Okay, so no problem. So he's asking to encrypt. Don't worry, later we will encrypt it. Okay, later we will encrypt it. So here what I'm going to do now, in the password just open bracket curly bracket, no, no, right? Nope, I'm writing right here. Later we will remove it. I don't want to what use that encrypted. So for that, no. Just I'm writing no. Fine. Now let's run the application. Okay. So now let's make the request, right? Let's make the request. What is that? Admin page, right? We are getting what? We are getting what? Login form, right? Login form. Here, what I'm going to do now, Padma. Padma. Now enter it. Welcome to what is that? Admin page we are getting or not, guys? Come on. See, after login, right? Welcome to admin page, right? But and now Padma want to access what student page also. Now she can access. She can able to access. See that welcome to student page. Okay, welcome to student page, right? So after then what is that? Home page also can access, right? Home page also she can access it, right? Welcome to home page, but she want to try to access what employee page, right? Employee page, see that she can't. Emp, right? Emp, she can't access. Deny page we will get. See that what is that? You have no role to access what this. You want, you have no role to access this, means she can't having the what is that authority to access what, to authority to access what, employee page, right? Employee page. Now fine, guys. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm logging out, right? I'm logging out. I'm logging out. What is that? Log out. Log, log out, right? Now click on that logging out. Now again, what is that? Here what is that? Employee, right? Come inside that what, come inside that what, see Anup is there. Anup password he is having. What is that? Employee authority, and he can access what, he can access what, he can access what, only what employee page, as well as what, as well as what, common page, right? Common page. Okay, and home page only, right? Now come here. Now what is that? Anup, and here what is that? Anup. Now click on that sign in. Okay, so no problem, right? So here what is that? Now it's login it. Okay, no problem, guys. It's login, right? It's login now. Okay, here what I'm going to do now? Here just I'm clicking what is that? Employee, EMP, right? Now he's having the authority to access what, employee page. Session is started now. Okay, now yeah, welcome to employee page, right? But employee want what? He want to what? He want to access what is that? Admin page, right? So see that you have no role to access this. Okay, means employee don't have authority to access what? Admin page, right? Admin page. But he and even he don't having the authority to access what is student also. See, just student. Student. See, just, oh sorry, yes, student. Student. You have no role to access what? You won't have role to access what? This, right? This means what? Student page also don't have what? Access permission to employee, right? So same like now I'm logging out. Log out, right? Log out. Now I logged out. Okay, now again click on that log out button, and what we will do now, here I'm going to what? Student, right? Student, student, what is the password and user? Suraj, right? Suraj. Now come here. Okay, Suraj. Suraj, and what is that? Suraj, right? Suraj. Now click on that. Okay, so no problem. Okay, yes, student, right? Student. Click on that. Welcome to student page, right? And student want to access what? Admin page. See that access denied page will come. What is that? Admin, right? Admin. Now admin. Now click on that. See, you have no role to access this. Okay, so but he can access what? Home page, because we taken what? Permit, all right? So now click on the home page. So welcome to home page. But again Suraj want to access what? uh, Employee page also, emp page also. Again he won't have authority to access. You have no role to access this. Okay, so now like this, what is that? In memory security operation we are completed, guys. Now like this we are implementing what? Like this we are implementing what? Spring security in what? Our application, right? Based on that rule and authentication and authorization permission. Okay, so now anyone having any doubt now, guys, can you can unmute yourself and you can ask, right? I think I given my level best, and I implemented this normal application. But tomorrow complicated is there based on this methodology only, guys. Okay, do practical on that. Okay, do practical on that. What is that? Dharmendra, right? Yeah, I think, yeah, you catch up. You said that today your first day, but still I tried my level best to understand, right? Dharmendra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you understood, right?
Yeah, ekdam, this is very clear. I
Don't worry,
never
don't
think like that.
worry. Okay, don't worry.
I today only I practice this.
Uh,
Today I practice this.
Practice it. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to implement what? Based on that, a database authentication. That is the real time. Okay, but this
Yeah.
concept only will be there. This concept only will be there. We will use what? Some interfaces there to interact directly. Our username and password and role we will take from the database and we will test it. Okay. So
Okay.
now, so do the practical on this one. Okay, Dharmendra Kumar, Amrani. Any doubt? Ankit, Arya, Chandu, Ganesh, Jitendra, Manjulata, Mayank, Ayodele, Padma, Pujita, Rahul, Raj, Sai, Shamar, Shaurabh, Srinivas. Anyone any doubt? Let me know that, guys. I will clarify again. Okay.
No doubt, Ravi, it's clear.
Clear, right?
Yeah.
Security concept you can expect like this. Don't worry. Tomorrow we will implement when encrypt, decrypt. Also, I have to explain it, right? I have need to explain it. All those things. Okay. So Okay, guys, so let's stop the session. Okay, let's stop today's session and we will meet tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow little bit long session will be there. Okay, little bit, not much like Angular and others, MVC and all those things. Okay, little bit long session will be there. Be ready for that. Be ready for that. And tomorrow we will complete what? Tomorrow we will try to complete what? Spring Security. Okay, tomorrow we will complete what? Spring Security.
Tomorrow, what time, please?
It's okay. Okay, Ayodele. Okay, guys, enjoy your day and do the practical, right? Do the practical, and we will implement tomorrow. What tomorrow? With using what Spring Waram. Sudhir, tomorrow every day 2 p.m. only. 2 p.m. only, right? 2 p.m. IST. Yeah, 2 p.m. IST only. My session will be there 2 p.m. IST only, right? I will put the meeting ID inside what? Our group. Our group. Don't worry. Okay, guys, let's stop the session. We will meet tomorrow.
Yeah, okay. Bye.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
Bye bye.
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 Thank you, sir.
Guys.
Thank you.
Bye.